Have you tried everything to get rid of nail fungus, but nothing seems to really work? Your nails stay weak, discolored, thick with a bad smell, and the problem keeps coming back? What if I told you the real issue is deeper, at the root of the infection, and most treatments only cover up the symptoms? Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to show you why Kerassentials deliverable is surprising thousands of people who had already lost hope in traditional treatments. But first, an important warning. Kerassentials is only sold on the official website. If you see this product on marketplaces or other stores, be careful. It may be counterfeit. To stay safe, the only trusted link is right here below in this video's description. Kerassentials is a powerful natural oil developed by experts to eliminate nail and skin fungus for good. Its formula penetrates deep and attacks the fungus at the root, preventing it from coming back. It's 100% natural and approved by health specialists. No harsh chemicals, no side effects. Effectively fights nail and foot fungus, restores the natural look of your nails, eliminates odor and itching, prevents future infections. Safe, natural formula with no side effects. Visible results in just a few weeks. It's easy to use. Apply Kerassentials directly on the nail or affected area twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. With consistent use, you'll notice visible improvements week after week. Over 14,000 people have already tested and approved Kerassentials. Emily, 48, said that within 3 weeks, her nails were stronger and looked healthier. Michael, 55, shared that the odor completely disappeared and he finally felt confident wearing sandals again. And the best part, you're covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the results, just request a refund. No hassle. No risk, but act fast. Promotional kits are running low. The best-selling options are the 3 and 6 bottle kits, which come with exclusive discounts and free shipping. These offers can disappear at any time, so don't wait. Click the link in the description now and go straight to the official Kerassentials website. Order with confidence, receive it at home, and say goodbye to fungus, the smart and natural way. Encapsulate USA, health on another level. Real results.